Imagine waking up one morning and your compass is pointing south instead of north. Sounds strange, right? This simple change could have profound implications for navigation, travel, and even our understanding of the world, but it's not as crazy as it seems. Earth's magnetic poles have flipped many times throughout history. These flips, known as geomagnetic reversals, are a natural part of our planet's geological processes. What would happen if it happened again, perhaps even in our lifetime? The effects could be far-reaching, impacting everything from animal migration patterns to human technology. Would our world be thrown into chaos? Imagine the confusion in cities, the disruption of navigation systems, and the potential for widespread panic. The truth is, a magnetic pole shift is a natural phenomenon. Scientists have been studying these shifts for decades, trying to understand their causes and effects. It's happened before, and it will happen again. Evidence of past shifts is recorded in ancient rock formations, showing us a timeline of Earth's magnetic history. But what exactly does it mean for us? How would our daily lives be affected? From GPS systems to power grids, the impact could be significant. To understand that, we need to take a closer look at Earth's magnetic field and why it's so important. This invisible force shields us from harmful solar radiation and plays a crucial role in navigation and communication. Earth is surrounded by an invisible shield called the magnetic field. This magnetic field is a crucial part of our planet's defense system. This field protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. Without it, life on Earth would be exposed to dangerous solar winds and cosmic rays. It's like a giant bubble, keeping us safe. This protective shield is essential for maintaining the atmosphere and supporting life as we know it. This magnetic field is created by the movement of molten iron deep inside Earth's core. The constant motion of this molten iron generates electric currents. Think of it like a giant dynamo, constantly generating electricity and magnetism. This dynamo effect is what powers the magnetic field. Now, here's the interesting part. The magnetic field is not a constant, unchanging force. This magnetic field isn't static. It undergoes continuous changes and fluctuations over time. It's constantly changing, and every few 100,000 years or so, it flips. This phenomenon is known as geomagnetic reversal. The north and south magnetic poles switch places. This flip can have significant effects on navigation and animal migration. Scientists believe these flips are caused by changes in the flow of molten iron in Earth's core. Understanding these changes helps us learn more about our planet's inner workings. So, what would happen if a magnetic pole shift occurred today? One of the most immediate effects would be on our navigation systems, which are crucial for travel. Compasses wouldn't work properly, and GPS satellites could experience significant disruptions. This could lead to confusion and even accidents, especially for ships and airplanes that rely heavily on these systems. But the impact wouldn't just be on technology, it would extend to nature as well. Animals that rely on Earth's magnetic field for navigation, like birds and sea turtles, could become disoriented. They might struggle to migrate or find their way home, causing widespread issues. This could have serious consequences for their populations and ecosystems. Scientists have observed that the magnetic North Pole has been moving towards Siberia at a faster rate in recent decades. This rapid movement has sparked a lot of interest and concern among researchers, as it could indicate significant changes in Earth's magnetic field. This could be a sign that a pole shift is underway. A pole shift, also known as a geomagnetic reversal, is when the positions of magnetic north and magnetic south switch places. However, scientists also say that these movements are normal fluctuations and don't necessarily mean a flip is imminent. The magnetic field is known to be quite dynamic, with poles wandering and even reversing over geological timescales. Earth's magnetic field is a complex and dynamic system. It is generated by the movement of molten iron within Earth's outer core, which creates electric currents and, in turn, a magnetic field. While a pole shift could have some disruptive effects, it's important to remember that it's a natural process that has happened many times before. Historical records and geological evidence show that pole shifts have occurred many times throughout Earth's history. Scientists continue to study and monitor Earth's magnetic field to better understand these changes and their potential impact on our planet. Ongoing research and advanced technology are helping scientists to predict and prepare for any future shifts in the magnetic poles.